Hi everyone, welcome again my channel Numeric Nest, and in this video we are going to solve this question for y, and we have a 7 times y cube. This is equal to 7, and we find the value of y in our question. So let's start. First of all, we divide this equation by 7 on both sides. Then we have a 7 times y cube. This is equal to 7. Divide both sides by 7. So in the next step, this 7 and 7 cancel. Here we just get y cube. This is equal to divide 7 by 7. We get 1. And in the next step, we subtract a 1 on both sides. So subtract a 1 on this side and also subtract a 1 on this side. This will cancel. And here we get y cube negative 1. This is equal to 0. Now we write this 1 as a 1 cube, which is also equal to 1. So this is a y cube negative 1 cube is equal to 0. Now here we use the identity, which is a cube minus b cube. This is equal to a minus b multiply a square plus b square plus product of a and b. To this identity, this left hand side will become a y minus 1 multiply y square plus 1 plus y. This is equal to 0. In the next step, we use the 0 identity. So according to this identity, we can say that y minus 1 is equal to 0, or y square plus 1 plus y is equal to 0. So this is a, so add a 1 on both sides and then we get y is equal to 1. This is the one answer of y that satisfy our question. Now look at this second equation. This is a quadratic equation. We rewrite this as a y square plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now in this equation, we use the quadratic formula, which is a y is equals to negative b plus minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 times ac over 2a. And in this quadratic equation, a is a coefficient of y square, which is a 1, and b is a coefficient of y, which is also 1, and c is a constant, and in this case c is also a 1. Now we substitute all these values in the formula. So we have a y is equal to minus b, this is a minus 1 plus minus b square is a 1 square minus 4a is a 1 and c is also a 1 over 2 and a is a 1. Now we simplify this. So we have a minus 1 plus minus 1 square is a 1. Multiply these value, then we get 4 over, multiply 2 by 1, we get 2. So this is equal to negative 1 positive negative. Solve this part. 1 minus 4 we get minus 3 over 2. Write this as a negative 1 positive negative 3 multiply minus 1 over 2. And we know that square root negative 1, this is equal to iota. So we write this as a y is equal to negative 1 positive negative square root 3 iota over 2. So we get the three answer of y. First answer is a y1, which is equal to 1, and the second is a y2, which is equal to negative 1 positive square root 3 iota over 2, and the third answer that satisfy our question is a y3 is equal to negative 1 negative square root 3 iota over 2. So we get three possible answer that satisfy our question.